Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. It's weekend and I have come up with investment pick. This time the investment pick is CRISIL. The price of the company is 2565. EPS of the company 48 rupees. Price to EPS 53 times. Industry P 38 times. Presently price are trading in premium as per the industry P. Book value 180. Price to book 14 times. Face value 1. Dividend yield 1.29%. Promoter holding 67%. Debt to equity 0. ROC 5 years 42%, which is very good. ROC previous year 41.6%. Fundamental is very good except for price trading in premium, which is common with fundamentally strong company. Now let's have a look on the technical chart. On the daily chart, the stock gave breakout about 2050 levels and started rallying. On the weekly chart, last week price gave breakout about 2124 levels with big price candle and high volumes. This week also price rise with volumes, confirming the weekly chart breakout. Now let's go to the monthly chart. On 8 years monthly chart, price have crossed the previous high 2500 made in October 2016. We need breakout confirmation on monthly chart. That will be done once price closes about 2500 levels on monthly candle. If breakout is done on monthly chart, it will be a big breakout for target between 3500 to 3008 levels. All the data of fundamental are taken from screener.com. Disclaimer, I am just sharing my view. Kindly consult a financial advisor before taking any trade on my view. Now I will show you all the charts one by one. This is the daily chart. As you can see, the stock gave breakout about 2050 levels and it's continued to rally. This is the weekly chart. As you can see, last week the price gave breakout with big price candle and high volumes. This week also price was high and volumes are also visible, which is confirming the weekly chart breakout. This is the 8 years monthly chart. As you can see, price have crossed the previous high, but we need confirmation by closing about 2500 levels on monthly candle. And this is the all time monthly chart. As you can see, stock rallied till 2500, then went into correction till 1300 levels. Now it's again trying to cross the previous point. Once if 2500 is crossed and we get a monthly closing about 2500 levels, then the target can be on the stock as per the technical setup between 3500 to 3800 levels. Kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any trade on my view. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.